Good evening. My name is Maria. I am a scientist. I am going to make a volcano. Before we make the volcano, safeties first. Your goggles, lab coat, your goggles to protect your eyes, your lab coat to protect your clothes, and a grown-up to help you. Let us begin. This is going to be very messy. Make sure you have a big pot of water. And you will make the volcano. And glow-in-the-dark paint, a marker, a sponge, tape, and scissors. And this. And make sure you have a towel. And then you just get your science lab coat rolled up, and then you just put your hands inside and get this also inside. And then you can see I did this around the volcano. Now I want to do some more around the volcano. Just like this. This part right here, it's the last piece. Now I'm going to put it right over here. And then when it's done, all done drying, we could paint it. Here it is. We made it, we dried it. It's ready to erupt! Don't eat, don't drink. It's not good for your tummy. I'm going to pour it in this, and Papa's going to pour it in this. I am let the volcano begin. Papa, come over. Let me count you down. 3, 2, 1, go!
Whoa!
Ta-da! Voila! Some of the paint is coming off, you know. But it's okay. We could always make another one. Thank you for watching.